Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to activate back tap in your iPhone 12 mini. Keep in mind, if you have a case on your iPhone 12 mini, the back tap doesn't work very consistently. So let's open up settings. We're going to scroll down until we see accessibility. Then we're going to find touch, and then we're going to scroll to the bottom and you're going to see back tap. Tap on this one and you have the option for double tap, which is double tapping the back of your iPhone 12 mini, and then triple tap, which is a triple tap. So you can tap on this one. If at any time you selected an option here, you want to remove it, you just tap on none, and then that will turn off back tap for the double tap. So for me, I want to do double tap, will give me the app switcher. So once this is on, you see double tap the app switcher. You just want to double tap the back of the iPhone 12 mini where the Apple logo is. Now again, I have a case, so this will work like 10% of the time. So let's try this, tap tap. And that time it actually worked, okay? If you have a case on, I'll just try now. Surprisingly, this is working. When I was doing this video earlier, it took me over 10 attempts to get this working with my case on. So just keep in mind, if you are having issues with the back tap, you will need to remove the case. It's not 100% consistent, but I personally aim for the Apple logo. So I'll just tap the Apple logo twice. Surprisingly, that's worked 3 out of 3. So let's go with the triple tap here. And so triple tap for control center. So I'll do tap, tap, tap. Boom, control center. Double tap for app switcher. So me personally, I'm actually tapping very lightly, okay? But for you, you just need to get used to what works best. So you may need to do a harder tap to activate the app switcher. Okay, you can see like my phone's jerking around because I'm doing the triple tap. If I do a light tap, okay. So when you want to turn it off, just select none, none, and I want to do a double tap. It's going to do nothing. Triple tap, nothing as well. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.